Welcome. In this video I will show you how to set up and use your Glyph interface on Nothing Phone 3A Lite. Let's start by looking at the Glyph interface itself. It's located on the backside of your phone, just like in all the other Nothing phones, smartphones, and the whole Glyph interface on the backside of your phone in this model is reduced to just one LED indicator, which will blink whenever you receive a notification or a ringtone. Your phone should also play some sound that you can either set up yourself or just customize using default options, but we'll get to it later. So the Glyph interface will start working whenever you flip your phone around and leave it like this. To customize your Glyph interface, let's unlock the phone, swipe down the control center and open Settings. In Settings, select Glyph interface. It can be easily found as it's one of the first options or menus in Settings. And to enable it, switch this toggle to the right. Now you can customize your ringtone sound and notification sound by tapping here to change the ringtones and here to change the notifications. So let's go through the ringtones setup. We can choose one of the default ringtones, though I'd say that most of them are quite disturbing, at least for me. So I'm gonna reduce the sound volume. Now let's go to the default ringtone. Now, and here are 10 default ringtones we can choose from. And actually sounds pretty good for me. But you can choose the one that you like and then click Save in the top right corner of the screen. Or if you don't want the LED blinking, switch this toggle to the right. This way you will only hear the sound of the notification of the ringtone. Alternatively, you can also choose your own sound by going to My Sounds, add New Sounds. Then you're gonna have to, well, beforehand you would have to download some music on your phone, and once you do that, select your music and select it on the list. You will also be able to check how your LED indicator reacts to your music if you turn your phone around. And you can also switch this toggle to the right if you don't want your LED to start blinking. Now for the notifications, which I'm gonna go to a little bit later, everything works in the same way. But here we can also choose custom contacts for which we want to hear these notifications, and we can select custom ringtones for each contact that we select on the list. Now for notifications, we can choose default sound, and once again we can choose one of the 10 default sounds for notifications. We can also switch the toggle to the right for our LED to stop blinking, and then click Save to apply changes. And just like with the ringtone sound, we can select our own sound in My Sounds menu. Now let's scroll down and let's go to Flip to Glyph feature. Open it. So this feature is enabled by default, and yeah, it's basically the main feature of the Glyph. So the only change that you can provide right here is essential notifications. So the essential notifications works in a way that you set up some essential notifications for your device, and then you will only get these notifications when you flip your phone. So you can turn it on, and then you will only receive some specific notifications, and the other ones will be simply shown in the notifications menu whenever you open it. Now to set up some essential notifications on your phone, go to Essential Notifications menu and select a new rule. So first of all, let's select an app. for the notification. And let's say that we want to know about the calls that were missed, for example in phone, and you can also select WhatsApp or I don't know, Telegram, whatever you use on your phone. But for me, I only have the phone application right now, so let's go with the phone application. Tap edit icon, and now I only want to get notifications about missed calls. So let's uncheck all the checkboxes that are not missed calls and tap done. Now let's get back, and now let's set the rule name to missed calls. Tap OK. Now we can also reduce the list of people from which we want to receive this notification by tapping Add Contacts and Add New, and then select the contacts from which you want to receive a notification about a missed call. So let's tap Save Rule, and now we have the missed calls rule. We can also add a new one, and now let's select missed messages or new messages rather. Then select all apps, and then once again you can select where WhatsApp, your other messenger application, but I'm gonna go with the messages application. And now let's uncheck these two checkboxes, and we have the incoming messages checked. So now let's save the rule, and now we have two different custom rules, and this will be the only notifications that we receive on our phone. Or you can also go to Glyph and disable essential notifications feature. And the last thing here is bedtime schedule. So the bedtime schedule is for setting the time when your Glyph interface will be inactive and will not send you any notifications, will not send you will not receive any calls. So if you want to set up bedtime schedule, you have to switch this toggle to the right, then select the start time for your bedtime schedule, for example 10 p.m. or 22, and the end time, for example 7 a.m. or 8 a.m. Tap OK, and then select days when it should be repeated. In my case, every day is selected, but let's only select weekdays from Monday to Friday. And so this way we will not receive any notifications from our Glyph from Monday to Friday, starting with 10 p.m. and up to 8 a.m. next day. And so yeah, this is it for the Glyph interface. This Glyph interface is significantly reduced compared to other Nothing phone models, because this is a budget model. So yeah, so many features are absent in this Glyph interface menu. But anyways, that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.